Yes, we are now concluding this very part of polymerization, the uses of synthetic polymers. Now, of course, we do not talk about the uses of natural polymers. Example we are giving are those one of proteins. We have starch, we have glycogen. So you will get their uses in biology. And because of that, we are now focusing on what we call artificial polymerization and their uses. And we shall see that our world is surrounded by chemistry, because even when I was introducing chemistry senior one, they say chemistry is very important because of the following reasons. And what we emphasized there was the knowledge of chemistry is used in making clothes, very many things. So here now, when you are advancing is when you start seeing the real world. When you are advancing is when you start seeing the real world. And if you follow this applied chemistry very well, you'll be in position to work in the industry that actually process this thing. So let's look at the uses one by one. Uses of synthetic polymers. So here we say it, for example, like this one of polyethylene. Polyethylene is used in making pipes, plastic bottles, and also we have plastic bags. We have plastic bags and bottles. So those bottles you see, and the plastic bags you are seeing, and all those pipes, the water pipes, we use the knowledge of what we call uh, this addition polymerization. This polymerization knowledge that will bring for us this thing, and we start manufacturing the rest of the things from that polymer we have gotten. And then again, this polychloroethane is used in making crates, boxes, artificial leather, and then water pipes. Their uses are more or less the same. Then we have polyphenol ethene used for making insulation materials, ceiling tiles, clothes, and many others. Now we have what we call the trilene. Now this trilene, sometimes we call it polyester. And this material is very, very, very strong, and it is, or you can say it is durable. Why? Because when you use it for making these ropes, clothing, and carpets, they are long, long lasting. Now, for you to act differently, if you want to go and buy clothes in the market, you check that part where they have those information. If you have seen something 100% polyester, 100% polyester, and that factory did not fake it, you buy it, you'll be in position to stay with these clothes. And I say for the rest of your life, just but make sure that you go and buy it. Okay, what if it is 50% polyester? You can also buy it. Why? Because this material is very, very strong. That's why you use it for making ropes, clothing, carpets, and many other things. And that will distinguish you between someone who has attended chemistry, especially organic chemistry, with the rest who did not. Then this nylon, we are writing the equations. We say nylon 6,6, and there's also another form. We say it is used in making ropes, also clothing, carpets, and many other things. Then perspex. This perspex, we use it in making what we call the safety. This is safety glass, safety, safety glass, contact lenses, and false teeth. You have ever seen people having problems with their teeth? They will go and remove that bad one and fix. Those dentists will now fix another one. So sometimes you are carrying perspex, but you didn't know. So they are used for making false teeth. Now, what you need to know about this thing is that for them to behave like this, they have different properties. These things, they have different properties, and your task is to go and check their properties one by one. One of the most important property is that we have durability. So these materials are long lasting, but also go and also check what we call the industrial name one by one. Now let's take an example of trilene. This trilene is the chemical name, the one we use mostly in the laboratory. But when you go to the real applied one, they call it polyester. So you'll be in position to know that they are meaning trilene. So go and check this one by one, and you'll be in position to learn more about polymerization. So we are concluding polymerization in peace, and let's meet the next topic.